Welcome to our video on online business. Today, we'll explore what it means to run an online business and how you can get started. Before you dive in, take a moment to assess your skills and interests. What are you passionate about? Understanding this will help you find the right business opportunity. There are various types of online businesses you can start, including e-commerce stores, service-based businesses, and content creation platforms. Research your market thoroughly. Understand who your target audience is and analyze your competition to find your niche. Creating a solid business plan is crucial. It outlines your goals, strategies, and the financial aspects of your business. Next, setting up your online presence is essential. This includes your website, social media profiles, and branding materials. Don't overlook the legal aspects. Register your business and ensure you're compliant with local laws and regulations. Funding your online business can be challenging. Explore various options, from personal savings to loans and even crowdfunding. To reach your audience, you'll need effective marketing strategies. Digital marketing basics such as SEO, social media, and email campaigns are essential. In conclusion, starting an online business is an exciting journey. Remember the key takeaways and don't hesitate to take the leap.